In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about scale factors. So now we're going to have dilated figures in a graph, and we have to determine the scale factor. All right, and in order to do that is you pick a pair of points that one of them is the original and the other one is the prime. So we're going to look at number 6 here. It says find the scale factor used to dilate SNOW in the diagram at the right. All right. So if we notice, our original figure gets bigger after we dilate it. If you notice the prime numbers, okay, the coordinates are bigger than the original. So that means we're going to have a scale factor that's greater than 1. All right. So all you have to do is pick one point on the original figure. So we'll look at S, point S right here. That is from the middle, it goes right to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the point S is 2, 5. Now we have to look at the prime version of S and see how they compare. So the prime version of S, which is up here, all right, that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 6, 15. So you're seeing how does S go to S prime. So to figure out the scale factor, what you have to do is just take one of number of each coordinate, and it has to be the same. So if you're going to look at the x's, what I would do is just look at the x's, okay? You take the prime and you divide it by the original. So you take a look at 6, and you're going to divide it by 2, right? Which is 6. When you reduce it, it's 3. So that's going to be my scale factor. And think about it. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. So basically you're figuring out what do you have to multiply the original coordinates by to get the prime coordinates. All right. Or you can just take the prime coordinates and divide them by the original coordinates. The prime numbers divided by original numbers. Okay, let's look at another one. All right, number 7. I'm going to look at my original M, which is up here. And then I'm going to look at my prime. Oh, what is that point? First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 0, 8. Made a mistake. 0 because it doesn't go left to right or any. 0, 8. Okay, and that's not prime, so I don't know why I wrote a prime there. All right, my M prime is 0, 3. Now with this case, I can't divide 0 and 0. All right, so now I'm going to look at the other numbers. So my scale factor is going to be, how does 3 become 8? Well, you have to take this number, 3, and divide it by 8. So you take this number 3 divided of the prime, this is the prime point, and divide it by 8. So my scale factor is 3/8, which is a number less than 1, right? 3 divided by 8, that's a decimal. We'll see what that is. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. That's a number less than 1. So that's why this figure is getting smaller. It's dilating to become the prime figure. So that makes sense. And when it's a fraction, you just leave it as a fraction. Just make sure you reduce it all the way. All right. So that's it for today's video. If you have questions in class, please let me know.